What if the future is not just about humans, but also about our artificially intelligent counterparts? Picture a world where we're not battling against machines, but rather collaborating with them. The past decade has seen a rapid acceleration in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. Robots are no longer just tools, they're becoming teammates. As we delve deeper into the age of autonomy, we start to see robots capable of performing complex tasks independently. But the real game changer? It's the rise of collaborative robots or cobots designed to work hand in hand with humans. Take ABB's Yumi robot, for instance. It's not just its exceptional dexterity that makes it stand out, but its ability to collaborate seamlessly with human workers. We're not just talking about a new era of technology, but a new era of partnership, where man and machine can work together for a brighter future. So the future might not be about humans versus robots, but humans working hand in hand with robots. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? As we see AI robotics advancing at a rapid pace, we are faced with a new set of ethical implications and governance challenges. Like a double-edged sword, while AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, it also raises questions about safety, security, and ethics. Let's take Google's AI Ethics Committee as a case in point. The committee was established to guide ethical decision-making, but faced controversy and eventually disbanded. The fallout highlighted the complexities of governing AI. This is not a simple matter of right and wrong. It's about navigating the gray areas, balancing technological progress with societal values and human rights. We need robust guidelines and regulations to ensure AI operates safely, securely, and ethically. This might involve policymakers, technologists, and the public coming together to shape these rules. As AI and robotics continue to evolve, so must our ethical and regulatory frameworks. Can you imagine robots performing surgeries or driving you around? Well, it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare and transportation in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Ever heard of the Da Vinci surgical system? This ingenious application of AI allows robots to perform complex surgeries with remarkable precision. Surgeons control the robot from a console, translating their hand movements into smaller, more precise movements of tiny instruments inside the patient's body. This is a game changer, reducing risks and improving patient outcomes. Then there's Waymo, Alphabet's self-driving technology division. They're pioneering the development of autonomous vehicles, using advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms to navigate complex road scenarios in real time. Imagine getting into a car and just saying where you want to go, and then sitting back to enjoy the ride. It seems that robots are not only taking over factories, but also our roads and hospitals. And what about our farms? Are robots the new farmers? It's not as far-fetched as it might sound. Agriculture is being revolutionized by artificial intelligence and robotics. These technologies are automating tasks that have been done by humans for centuries: planting, weeding, and harvesting. Take, for example, John Deere's autonomous tractors. These self-driving powerhouses can navigate fields, plant seeds with precision, and harvest crops more efficiently than ever before. But it's not just about speed or efficiency. These machines can operate day and night in all kinds of weather without tiring. What does this mean for food production? It means we can produce more food more efficiently. It means farmers can focus on managing their farms rather than the back-breaking work of planting and harvesting. It means a potential solution to the growing demand for food worldwide. From our factories to our hospitals, our roads, and even our farms, AI and robotics are truly reshaping the world as we know it. Call to action. Subscribe for more tech content and do comments below on what do you think of AI robotics that are helping us in our world. So what's the big picture here? The horizon of AI robotics is rapidly expanding, with robots becoming increasingly autonomous and collaborative. We're witnessing an emphasis on ethical governance in AI, which is crucial in navigating this technological revolution. Healthcare is being transformed with surgical precision, while self-driving vehicles continue to evolve. Even agriculture is getting a tech makeover, increasing efficiency and food production. Indeed, the future of AI and robotics is not just about technology, but about how we adapt and evolve as a society.